Getting started with the Novation SL MkIII. In this video, I'm going to walk you through components and show you how it integrates with your SL MkIII. Components can be used to customize the settings on your keyboard, update your unit's firmware, and also manage user content such as templates and sessions. Components is a web-based service which you can access by going to components.novationmusic.com. Please note that you'll need to be using Google Chrome to use the Components website. Other browsers such as Mozilla Firefox and Internet Explorer do not support Web MIDI and therefore won't work. Alternatively, Components is available as a standalone app, which you can download from this section of your Novation account. The functionality is the same as the website version. Now ensure that your SL MkIII is connected via USB and powered on. Select the SL MkIII as the device that you're using, and then you'll be walked through the features of components by pop-up windows. Feel free to exit these for now, and you can go back to them by selecting Tutorial just here. You can log into components using either a Facebook or a Google login. This allows you to store backups and different settings from your keyboard and access them at any computer with an internet connection. You can manage your packs on the left-hand side of the screen just here. You can manage your templates and sessions. You can create and edit templates by clicking on the Templates tab. You can check or update your firmware version. And under the Help tab, you'll find a selection of support resources. In the description below this video, you'll find more tutorials walking you through the features of your Novation SL MkIII. In the next video, I'm going to show you how to install and activate Ableton Live Lite, which comes with your SL MkIII.